Hello guys. Today I make this chapter. I make these chapters because I will add the get ungrounded trivia on scratch. Alright. Anyways, let's spin the wheel. Looks like the first contestant is Nina. Let's see another contestant. Looks like the next contestant is Tadia. I think he's not a brat. Okay, final spin. Looks like the final contestant is Giga. She is my favorite chapter. Anyways, guys, this is the end. I will make those chapters tomorrow. Goodbye.